5x8 camper build. All right, let's take a look at it. Now, I've done a few things and I didn't really video the doing of it, but you know, we already had all the holes drilled in the spars. So instead of having you follow me around, you know, and this wire goes here, that wire goes there, just run your wires, and I recommend running one wire to each light. That way, if there's a failure, it's just a failure on that one light. So you can see, how my wires are running. I'll just lift it up and stick my foam under it. There's, I do have a couple of scraps of foam. You can see some laying over there from I guess a kayak build. I'm cutting out all that up and I'm gonna make it fit in the smaller holes that I can, like here. You can see that. And this is, I have several more layers of this. This is 2 layers of this foam, just 1 layer of it here. But I'm gonna use up everything that I have because there's no sense in wasting anything. And then you see on the inside, I have a little light in there already so you can see the top. I only put 2 coats of satin polyurethane in there. You can see a little bit of a sheen. Gives it a little bit of a aged look. So I'm pretty sure we're going to do 1 door. And this, all you can see, all my wires terminated here for the switches and ground. I'll put me a switch bank right there so you can reach it from this door. Because usually when you back an RV into a parking spot, the water and sewer is always on that side. So this is the side you play on. So I'm gonna put the switch on the side this time instead of, well, I did the switch on this side last time and I liked it. The ones before, I always put them in the middle, so you have to lean way in to turn lights on or off. And I'll have a shelf and then, you know, a little plaque there for my lights. And then that, maybe I'll leave that open. You can slide some box in here for any kind of items you may want. I'm not going to have a galley. I'm going to have more. I'm just going to bring this on down, and that's going to be larger space for a bed. That'll fold back up, make like a 2.5 person settee here. So, and then I made a space for my roof vent fan. I'm gonna put it here so it'll set like this, which will give me a little bit more clearance up here. As you can see, I'm already pretty close up there. I could have put it on the roof, but I just didn't want to because I want to try and put a removable roof rack on here. And that way I can still take the rack off and get it in the garage. I'll put put a plaque here and a plaque here, and then they'll have like a tube, and then the roof rack will sit through there, and I'll put some clevis pins through there to hold it. And I can take it on and take it off as I need. So that's pretty much the catch up on the 5x8 teardrop. And I will see y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching, and hit that like and subscribe. Later.